How to draw a horizontal line in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex and select your pair. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top left of the screen and then click on the pencil icon. And here you will find a large list of drawings that you can use. You need to scroll down till you find horizontal line. Once you do that, click on it. And as you can see, the line has been drawn. You can move it as you want by using the white dot at the middle. For example, I can put it all the way down right here. And you have the drop down that will show you all the tools that you are using. For example, here I'm using just one horizontal line in red. You can also hide it by using the eye icon or showing it, and you can draw as many lines as you want depending on what you are trying to do. So there you have it. That's how you can draw a horizontal line in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.